Alqubit, IT as an expression of art.
Hello. The day after fun project repair of my digital sound recorder, processor and parametric equalizer Technics. I have forgotten how good is the feeling with electronics when you solve the issue. There is no flickering. The flickering is because the camera now has the shutter that is reading the frequency. But I've got it immediately. I solved it. There will be a show of video with everything functioning. It is beautiful. I like this thing. It is working completely, totally. Good work to me. Nice one. We'll see you soon again.
This is a